Oh, it's you again. There's a lot of times I have to cut into drywall, and it's not just cutting drywall, which you can do a lot of efficient moves to cut drywall by itself, putting it on new. But like say if you're cutting out an area to put another piece in, a lot of times when you cut straight through like this, the friction's so hard it's difficult to get the blade in. So a lot of times what I'll do is I'll score it pretty deep, maybe even twice, and then I'll take on, say this is your side you're going to keep, and the side you're going to cut out is on this side. So you cut a bevel on that side. You bevel it just a little bit. Another thing, just like with cutting anything with a razor knife, keep changing your razor knife blade. Keep changing that blade. And then you got that bevel, you can cut in deeper. And usually within the third time, I score it once, I bevel it, and then I can cut through. That's on a wall. And it's really hard to do otherwise. You can cut like 6, 7, 8 times to get through, especially if you hit a nail. And if you notice, the type of razor knife I have has nothing up here to retract the blade. Okay, the reason is because your hand is always here carrying that weight, and whenever you have something there, it's going to end up making a blister right here if you do it very much. Even though it's neat you can retract the blade, I prefer not to, and sometimes you'll see me, I have them that are retracting, but this is your best kind of arrangement. Something, they even make them where they're rounded back here so it fits in your palm a little harder. You round it all the way around, that's nice, ergonomic, because you're going to be doing that, really pushing pressure. So change your blades, make one score, and then bevel, and then cut one through, and that saves you a lot of time. It makes you look like you know what you're doing. See ya.